The lights are on. What stands here is the result of discipline, precision, and time working together.
A hotel that moves at 100 kilometers per hour, where a single night costs more than a luxury watch. From its bespoke suites to its cutting-edge technology, it redefines luxury travel.
Lighting is perfect.
やばい。
The heart of the Mizukaze begins with this: a high-output diesel-electric hybrid generator, engineered for silent but immense power. This battery-assisted system allows the train to accelerate smoothly from remote stations without a single vibration felt in the suites.
Managing electricity between the engine and the batteries requires a specialized inverter system, custom-built for Japan's unique rail topography.
Check the torque setting again. Alignment looks good on this side.
To ensure the luxury experience, every engine mount is designed to absorb even the slightest micro vibration.
The heart of the hybrid system's cooling is managed by a sophisticated liquid network hidden beneath the floor.
点検お願いしますぞ。
はい、異常ありませんね。
よし、次だな。
Safety is paramount. Multiple redundant systems ensure the Mizukaze remains powered in any environment.
With the core engineering complete, the Rolling Emerald is ready for its skin of glass, gold, and wood. Logic meets luxury. We build from the inside out, ensuring the wooden sanctuary is perfectly anchored to the high-speed steel frame. Protection is removed only when perfection is achieved. We unveil the luxury surfaces in a dust-free, controlled environment.
Easy, easy. Watch the tiles.
I've got it, almost there.
Okay, lower gently and stop.
Inside this emerald sanctuary, luxury is in the details. Every gold-plated fixture is hand-installed. Surface preparation complete. Protective films are removed only under ISO standard clean air conditions.
Zero defects is the only standard. Inside the suite, Japanese female inspectors in their late 20s.
Excellent. Everything is checked off. We are ready.
Technical certification complete. This emerald suite is now secured for the next factory stage. Sealing the sanctuary. Our engineers apply industrial-grade bonding to the Mizukaze's panoramic glass frames. Laser-aligned perfection. Every interior surface must be flush with the Mizukaze's emerald steel structure. Clarity redefined. Each window is hand-polished to ensure an unobstructed view of Japan.
Automated elegance. Motorized systems are integrated into the Mizukaze's curved ceiling for seamless operation.
Structural integrity. We calibrate the tension of every glass mount within the Mizukaze's high ceiling architecture. The view begins here. The emerald frame, frames a world of meticulous Japanese engineering.
Mastering the transition. Walnut and emerald green are blended perfectly within the Mizukaze's interior.
Surface preparation begins. We're stripping the protective layers from the Mizukaze's high-performance inox counters. Smart system integration. Fiber optic networks are routed deep within the emerald steel chassis. Lighting calibration. Every LED preset is programmed to transition perfectly between travel moods. ISO standard certification. The galley is sterilized and sealed for final technical approval. Audio and atmosphere. The concealed surround sound system is synchronized with the arched acoustics.
Interior integration complete. The Mizukaze is now ready for final static diagnostic testing.
Static testing initiated, verifying primary circuits within the Mizukaze's emerald steel frame. Precision calibration. Every sensor is tuned for absolute stability before the Mizukaze leaves the plant.
Acoustic certification. Measuring every decibel to ensure a silent, world-class interior.
Vibration analysis. Simulating rail forces to verify the integrity of the Mizukaze's interior fixtures.
Water ingress testing. High-pressure spray systems verify the Mizukaze's environmental seal.
Safety synchronization. Fire and hazard systems are factory certified for the Twilight Express journey.
Testing complete. The Mizukaze is now ready for its official rollout.
The final polish. Every inch of the Mizukaze's emerald skin is perfected for the grand reveal. a legacy of craftsmanship. Decades of engineering excellence distilled into this single masterpiece.
The signal is given. The pride of Japan is ready to meet the horizon.
A silent bow to perfection. Our masters of engineering bid farewell to their creation.
True luxury is built slowly, measured carefully, and never rushed.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.